There aren't two identical tables for Thanksgiving dinner. Each family shares its story through a number of dishes. I'm Nermine, a food and travel writer and a strong advocate of culinary diplomacy. My husband is a US diplomat and we're currently stationed in Singapore. I've been in Singapore for almost 3 months. And I'm here today to buy the ingredients for my sweet dish, pumpkin coconut, for the Thanksgiving dinner. Singapore is a foodie paradise. I'm exploring new flavors, new traditions. Food is part of life here. It's hard to believe that Singapore imports everything because everything is available and fresh. I've been to several wet markets and they are all buzzing with life. I get to speak to the sellers, they explain to me the ingredients, how to use them, and I always appreciate their understanding and their willingness to help.
This is perfect, thank you.
Pumpkin is the main ingredient on Thanksgiving. Some families use it as a savory ingredient or a sweet ingredient. Our Thanksgiving table tells our story as a foreign service family. Usually that is our favorite southern turkey with chipotle gravy, and we try to shake up our Thanksgiving menu every year by including local ingredients from every country we've served. This year, because we were in Singapore, I was inspired by the hanging coconuts that I see on my walks in the botanic gardens, and I'm using it as the hero ingredient for a sweet pumpkin dish. It seamlessly blends my roots, my US identity, and the Singaporean influence. Thanksgiving dinner doesn't entail any gifts, but it includes a lot of good food.
I'm delighted to have all of you be able to join my wife and myself here tonight.
This dish is kosher, vegan, and halal. And one more Singaporean factor, we wanted to make a caramel sauce. So I thought of the kaya jam. So this is kaya jam mixed with water.
So this is the first Thanksgiving dinner that I have the opportunity to be part of. The dessert really has a localized twist with kaya, and so it's just so special to be able to have something which is home cooked.
The Thanksgiving dinner was fantastic in terms of both the food and the company. I am really happy that I could have Thanksgiving with people around me, people who were very grateful, and it made it seem like there was a new family here too.
Thanksgiving is the most inclusive US holiday. It promotes the American values of gratitude and inclusion. My family and I are thankful for being in such a civil, vibrant, and safe place like Singapore.